Hello. I'm not sure exactly what entry this is, but we're back. Uh, June 10th, and I'm playing with more paint apps. Not sure how much of this I want to like explain. I might just jump into it. Um, so yeah, I coded this program with AI Studio here, and it's taken me like maybe a week or so to actually put together. It's not effortless, despite it all being written with like plain language. I have the cursor set up here too, but I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to a lot of this coding stuff. It's been a pain already to figure out, but I'm learning. I'm learning as I go. That's cool. Uh, yeah, I've been kind of procrastinating actually making anything with it. I think I just making the program itself was fun. I guess is let's see. Need to plug in stuff. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a moment. Okay, 1 second. June's live. Here we go. Back. All right. I might be upside down still. Okay. All right. So at some point, oh no, this does not work like I thought it would. Why's my hmm? um, Okay, I have it working now. I had to change how my mouse works. I have it in mouse mode now. I had to change how my pen pad works. I have it in mouse mode now, so that's letting me draw. A little bit stranger, a little bit strange to use, but whatever. I like the how um, the shapes that are coming out of this. Uh, I should update the color wheel. I should update the color thing here. I want a wheel, honestly. I guess. I have a lot of brushes here to show off. I'm not sure exactly where to start with this. Um, like the idea was to do a self-portrait. That's kind of what I've been doing. Maybe I keep doing that. Well, I have clear and I have an undo button. My control Z doesn't work on the keyboard yet. I haven't figured that out. So I don't know. I even have a working delete key. Yeah, I have working erase key. Kind of like deletes it in segments, but it works. Um, at some point, this might lag out. I have a feeling that's what's gonna happen. We'll see. Even have a functioning move things around. I can't zoom out or move my canvas yet. Um, this is quite funky to use. I have multiple layers. This mouse mode for the pen is really strange. Kind of mixing me up a lot. The face shape here is all wrong. I don't have any particular reason to use this as much as I'm using it. Other than, well, that's really hard to use like that. Yeah, of course I have other brushes here too. There's maybe already easier ones. Some things. Okay, I'm glad that actually worked. I wasn't sure I could do that. Some things appear to still at some point. Oh, there we go. Works. I just had to change that. Oh, wrong stuff in here. I want the. I don't know exactly how to do. It. Uh, you can kind of fill out like that. I started using some black. Of course, I have more brushes. This might be good for shading. I haven't been checking, but I hope the loop duration should be under 4 seconds for everything and multiple. You should be able to multiply to four. 1 or 2 or point. I don't know how much lag this mic. That's too much spread too. I want the mic. I don't have a lot of the fancy tools I've been using, like anything to do with the sensitivity of the brush and you just mind that kind of stuff. I'm not getting like thin lines if I use those. A little bit messier than maybe it is if when I use Krita. something. I can like go back and fix some things that I have to do. I don't hate this though. Um, Frankly, I'm just kind of happy that the program works all. It works surprisingly well. So I should make a new layer soon. Not redo. I'll make a new layer so I'm not. I can't lock it, which is not the deal. Okay, what else do I want to use here? Here, also super light color. Like, was this one of those trust the process moments? I don't know. Probably not. Um, let's see. I don't have control on Z. Control Z, sadly. Push flips in the bottom one. That was much better. I'll go to the black in that, I think. One there, there. This one's at the top. One at the bottom. And I just want to do highlights and sharps. I'll use get the Clear that up a little bit. Cool. Let's do one more layer. On top layer. This is one of my favorite brushes. I hope it works. I think for some reason it's been very annoying. I've had a couple of good versions and then I immediately broke it. Alright, so I need to go down here, change the color. We'll shift from black to can't zoom in sadly, so I was trying to not quite, okay. I gotta do any so that kinda works. Let's do that. It doesn't loop like I wanted to. I don't know, it kinda works. I'm gonna embrace the jank. I'm not gonna embrace the jank that hurt. I gotta remember how hair is drawn. Do that, and then I'll erase some of these. That should work. Okay, good. That was working before. So this is a fun brush too. Me kind of try to fix up some. Um, Just 8 seconds would even work. I don't think this is gonna properly loop when I turn into a after. Do a jitter brush here. That's not quite enough to do that. So the brushes don't mix or merge in any helpful way for me. For some reason I can't delete these. I had this working before. Yeah, this is a fun brush too. Like a bunch of these good round particles. Oops. That's okay. This brush isn't affected by the size, as it should be. I shouldn't really have this be able to drift downwards too. I just thought about that. I'll change this up a little bit too. I'll do another layer here. Go black on it. Then I want some reds. A little bit of blues too. I don't know if this is gonna work as I want it to, but let's see. That was a fun brush to make. These other ones probably won't be very. I don't know if hue shift's gonna be. I think it's just gonna change colors way too much. Yeah, gonna turn into every color. So this brush, is maybe not the most. Not connecting. Let's see. Usually 2 seconds. And I'll do some darker. Um, maybe also I can be a little dark. Cool. Um, I'm trying to think of like how to do. This is way too. Uh, I'm gonna just do some deep space basically. Not that one. I want to change the color. I'm gonna go to black, white, kind of overtrace. Let me just do it. I'll undo that one. This is another case of hopefully plus the process. I think I broke there. Alright, so I broke something there. I have a feeling this is gonna crash. If it crashes, I'm gonna consider that done. If the retrace brush is working, somehow I managed to delete all the other retraces. So, do fix the eyes again. What's happening there? Let's do blue on the other side. As like what else do I need? Want to want to fix up buttons. Yeah, yeah. And I don't have a redo button either. Yeah. Uh, my cursed creation number 99. I don't know. Do some theory things. I want to fix the lips a tiny bit. No, lips aren't. I'm kind of touch up my mistakes. Um, This definitely looks strange. This is the point, but go down to one of the bottom layers. I want to fix the hair a little bit more. I don't think the galaxy works on any of the other colors. Actually, it does. Oh, why didn't that work? I do want to. Maybe I can fix how this works here. Yeah, the eraser tool should work here. So I definitely a darker shade of red in there too. Let me put it in there. And then there's like a dark like that. Yeah. Go down and then I'll add a little more details here. Okay. Now it's just starting to lag too much to use. I'm missing a lot of horror features. Dark and I'm just trying to add some basic shading here. Okay, well, obviously this is not perfect, but that's my proof of concept. I don't know, whatever. Kind of cursed, kinda. It was fun. I need to do something less portraity. Might and might end up a little bit more interesting. There's my janky ass portrait. I don't know, that's number 11 or something. Anyways, adios. Have a good one.